Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. Today's video is super straightforward, everything but straight, okay? She is kinky curly, and the actual kinky curly that you actually want. Like, y'all, fingers can come through her, no shedding. She bounces right back, gives you more. I'm saying too much, but scratch all of that. If y'all didn't know, you about to know. I make Amazon wig reviews on my channel, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Anyways, if you want to feel like a princess, I'm talking a textured princess, and you want to get bippity boppity booed, you better stick around. So let's get into this video today. Okay, you guys, we're jumping right into this review. This is the unit straight out of the box. This is how she came packaged, as well as with some other things in the box, your wig cap and a wig band. I really like this wig band. It was a high quality stuff, and they also gave me these rubber bands if you want to put your hair up or style it in any way that you can. Look at this box, y'all. This was so cute for their company. I'm super surprised that they are an Aliexpress company with such cute packaging and such great quality hair that you guys are about to see here in a second. As soon as you get her out of the bag, she is able and ready to be put on your head and worn out. I kid you not. I ended up doing my edges and brushing her out a little bit just to get that volume, but other than that, she was super duper soft, bouncy, and just immediately ready to wear. The cap construction of the wig was high quality with your 4 combs and your adjustable bands, as well as your velcro strap for your usual headband wigs, you guys. So while I continue styling this wig, you guys, I'm just going to give y'all some details about the wig on their AliExpress website. So this is their ready to ship medium brown kinky curly headband wigs, Indian Remy human hair, full machine made wig for Black women. Okay, you guys, right now the price is running from $106.08 to $212.68, but they also have a $3 coupon available. And if you guys want this wig, make sure to check in the description box below because my link will be down there. This hair goes anywhere from 12 inches to 22 inches, and I just want you guys to keep in mind that they measure this hair by the hair stretched, okay, not the hair curled necessarily, but the hair stretched. This wig is 150 density. The hair color is only available actually in number 4, and they have a shipping duration of 5 working days. They also have free shipping, and it is available through DHL. You guys can go ahead and check out their website on AliExpress to purchase this exact wig if you want it. And they also have some extra coupons down there if you end up spending over $199 or getting another wig from this company. Okay, you guys, that's it for this wig install portion of this video. Like I said, this wig is super easy and ready to wear. I literally took her out of the bag, applied her, and went on about my business. I'm going to give you guys my final thoughts for the rest of this video. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look of this unit. She is so cute, guys. Honestly, I've never, ever had a wig this kinky curly. Y'all, I've never had anything that like bounces like this, has this much shine, and creates this much volume as soon as you freaking comb it out, because everything I've had, it's like claimed to be kinky curly, and then it's kind of like this natted kind of pattern. I don't know what they do, but this is what I mean when I'm looking for kinky curly hair, you guys. It's probably what you mean too, and this seems like super manageable. It's nothing that you can't brush your fingers through or actually manipulate at the end of the day. I'm pretty sure that if you do decide to use products on this, the best thing would be a leave-in conditioner, some Nairobi mousse, and or some water, and that's it. At the end of the day, this was my first initial install, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how this wig is. If you guys want an update on this wig, make sure you leave that in the comments below so I can let you guys know. This is so cute, y'all. Like, I love the fact that she's brown because she's really giving me a whole different vibe, a whole different color, and I'm honestly feeling like a whole different Olineece, y'all. I feel like Susie. This is Susie Olineece. Susie, what's that? I'm at the cookouts. You feel me? I'm the auntie. No, I'm not. slow down, slow down. But I'm at the cookout. We outside, you feel me? We're at the park, riding bike. We're hiking. Susie gives me hiking vibes. Like I said, you guys, this is only my initial review of this unit. I personally have not used any products. I feel like I don't need to use any products. It is super soft and so silky, and it has these precious little ringlets in this unit that you can see that honestly kind of mocks my own hair. So if I even were to pull out some strands of my own hair, it would definitely work. The only issue is my hair is not brown, but if anything, y'all definitely want to get your hands on this, okay? Y'all, when I was pulling this out of the bag, I did not expect this at all. I kind of expected her to drop her curls once I started brushing her out. You just order some kind of hair sometimes and you really don't know what to expect. But this wig, this unit right here has been nothing but amazing, y'all. Make sure you go get your hands on one, okay? Because this is what you need for the summer, because we're all gonna be outside. Mask on, of course, mask on, but we're gonna be outside. So, and if you want to be outside and you know you haven't really done your hair because we haven't been outside, just go ahead and get a headband wig and use my coupon code, okay? Because we're gonna be outside. We're not waiting for you and your lace front and your crusty got to be glued. We just not gonna do it. We're gonna be outside, edges out, headband wig on. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it will be in the description box below if you decide to go and get this wig. If you guys get this wig, please add me on all your social media at Outlabeled on everything, okay, you guys? I love y'all so much. Let me know what you think about this wig in the comments. Interact with me. Let me know. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a blessed and awesome day, and I hope to see you guys as subscribers or watchers of my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching.